I was sent this garden tool holder with 7 hooks and asked you my opinion on it. Make this short video. So here goes. Here's everything that you'll get in the box. You get a very simple instruction sheet. You get the mounting hardware with screws and some lag pieces of plastic here that you can use to put into sheetrock or to wood. And then you get the rack itself, and the rack comes with 2 pieces here. These are about 16 inches long, 16 and a half just about. And the 2 together make a very nice tool hanging rack. So you're just going to screw into the wall here on 4 screws on each corner of each piece. And you could use them separately or together like this. And then you get 4 of these tool holders like this. There's 2 can go on each rack. A couple like this. And then you get some hanging hooks as well. You get 3 of those. You might want to spread those out something in this fashion here. So now when you figured out how you want to arrange it, you've got options because there's different pegs at the top here, or holes that these little pegs can fit into. And they're going to have 3 prongs here. These are all made out of steel, and it's all powder coated, really well made. So they're going to fit right in there. Just pop them in and then set that down. And then if you've identified that this is for sure where you want to keep it, there's a little screw hole at the bottom here, and they give you that hardware, and you can screw down this particular hanging rack here so it'll be nice and good in place. Really well made, all steel. This is reminds me of a rack that you use for hanging a flat screen TV on the wall. It's that kind of steel with that powder coat finish and black paint. Same thing for these. They just fit in, and you've got all kinds of options on where you would adjust these and connect those in with the same securing hole here at the bottom to thread that in. I'm going to get this installed here in my garage. We'll take a look and see how they do. All right, so I got the rack installed. I did it right here along this 2x4, and I spaced out the hooks and alternated it with the larger stacking hooks, and just alternated with a small hook, long hook, small hook like that. And this is great because I can hold. Boy, I got a lot of different tools in here. I got a weed eater hanging there. I've got some weed pullers, and I've got rakes and shovels all hanging up and keeping them off the ground here for the most part. And it's really nice. I really like it. It complemented well this thing I have here to hold these weed eaters and trimmers up. So definitely a nice bracket. It's really strong. Didn't have any issue. I could even put, like in this case here, I got 3 shovels on one, and I got room for more. So it's definitely strong enough to hold the weight, and it's really compact and offers a lot of storage. Hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.